Today we're looking at a piece called Sunny Afternoon. I'm going to play it through for you. So this piece starts off on a fifth with the left hand from C to G, or on bass C, and then the right hand also plays that fifth immediately following. And the left hand's going to hold the fifth and keep it sustaining through while the right hand plays. So the right hand's going to play, as I said, C to G, repeat the G, and come down by step to that D. So when we put the whole of that first measure together, one more time, the fifth from C to G, the right hand does it, repeating the G, coming down to the D. Now as soon as that D is played, the left hand moves the fifth finger down to the F and plays the fifth from F to C. The right hand stays where it is. It plays the same thing it just played, except instead of stepping all the way down to the D, we come down by step just to the E. Show it to you again. So if we put these first two measures together, we have the left hand first on the C and then moving down to the F. You might want to consider practicing this hand position shift to get comfortable with it. Anyway, I'm going to play the first two measures. The next two measures are the same as the first, except they're quieter. We're going to do them as an echo. So that's the first four measures. You might want to practice those, stop the video, get comfortable playing it. The next section, we're just doing these fifths from C to G, the left hand, the right hand, the left hand crossing over, and the right hand coming up, the G repeated, and then the fifths are coming down, left, right, left. I'm going to show that to you again. So it's just C and G, going up, crossing over, C, G, G, C. And as you get comfortable with that, you start quieter and do a crescendo, gradually getting louder up to the top, and then getting quieter coming down. And this whole section can have one pedal under it because it's the same harmony. Two bars. Now, the next section, our left hand again moves down to the F and plays the fifth, and our right hand is going to do the same pattern that we did at the very beginning, the C up the fifth to the G, repeating the G, coming down by step to the D, but the left hand's on the F this time. So, F, C, and as soon as you're done that, the left hand's going to move up a step to the G and play the fifth, and the right hand's going to play the same pattern but ending on the E. Then the left hand moves up one more step to the A and does the fifth. The right hand plays the pattern that goes to the D. the left hand plays the B, and the right hand goes up a step from the D to the G. So I'm going to play you that whole line slowly through a couple of times so you get used to it. So we're on the F. And again, if you want to play along, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a fermata there, so you can stay as long as you want. And then we go back just the way we did at the beginning. We do that part once, and then we have this crossing over of the fifths. And we, instead of coming back down, we just go to this E, and we do this little lower neighbor pattern from E to D to E. And then the left hand plays and comes and plays that fifth. I'll play it through from the beginning again. And here we go. And I had it written at the end. Just going to show you that very last bit one more time, just so you can see it a little better. I didn't realize it was off the grid. So we're starting on the bass C with the left hand, fifth, fifth, and then the left hand comes and plays that C to G fifth. So that's what we're listening for and looking at, that lower neighbor. Have fun with Sunny Afternoon. Hope you enjoy it.